Welcome to our guide on conducting a job hazard analysis, or JHA. A proper JHA is one of the most effective tools we have for preventing workplace accidents and injuries. Today, we'll walk you through the process step by step. A job hazard analysis is a systematic examination of a job that identifies potential hazards and determines the safest way to perform the work. It breaks down each task into steps, identifies potential hazards at each step, and establishes controls to minimize or eliminate these hazards. You should conduct a JHA when performing high-risk or complex tasks, after an accident or near miss, when implementing new processes or equipment, for jobs that are performed infrequently, and when working conditions change significantly. Start by selecting the job to analyze. Priority should be given to jobs with high injury rates, tasks that could result in severe injuries, new jobs or processes, recently modified procedures, and complex tasks requiring multiple steps. Break the job into basic steps. Think of these as snapshots of the major stages in completing the task. Don't make them too detailed or too broad. Typically, most jobs can be broken down into 8 to 12 steps. For each step, identify what could go wrong. Consider physical hazards, chemical exposures, environmental conditions, ergonomic factors, tool and equipment hazards, and human factors. Remember to ask workers who perform the job regularly. They often know hazards you might miss. Once hazards are identified, develop controls to eliminate or reduce them. Follow the hierarchy of controls. Elimination, remove the hazard. Substitution, replace the hazard. Engineering controls, isolate people from the hazard. Administrative controls, change the way people work. Personal protective equipment, protect the worker with PPE. Document everything in your JHA form, including job description, steps of the task, potential hazards, control measures, required PPE, emergency procedures. Share the completed JHA with all affected workers. Train them on the hazards and control measures. Keep the JHA accessible and review it periodically, especially if conditions change. Remember, a JHA is a living document. Review and update it regularly to ensure it remains effective. By following these steps, you'll create a valuable tool for keeping your workplace safe. For more information and resources, contact your safety supervisor or visit our website.